How to log in into your Skyscanner account. First, you want to open the application and you'll see an interface which will look something like this. You want to accept all cookies and click on allow. By doing so, you'll be redirected to the home page, and here you can simply tap on this profile option over here, and you want to scroll down and you can simply click on this profile icon, click on login info. Here you can see I'm already logged in into my account. I'm going to simply click on my profile icon and click on log out. Click on log out again, and as you can see, here's an login or sign up option popped off. Click on login or sign up, and if you want to continue with your Apple account, Facebook account or Google account, you can do so from here. However, if you already have an account, you can simply click on email, type it out your email over here and click on this arrow icon to log in into your account. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave a comment down below.